Welcome to the world of pure tantalum, a metal that transcends the ordinary and stands as a testament to the marvels of material science. In the next 2 minutes, join us on a journey into the remarkable properties and diverse applications of this extraordinary element. The journey of pure tantalum involves meticulous refinement processes. Extracted tantalum ores undergo purification steps, including chemical processing and reduction, to produce tantalum pentoxide. Refined tantalum is shaped into various forms, such as ingots, sheets, and rods, through processes like melting, casting, and extrusion. These forms become the building blocks for diverse applications. In the realm of electronics, pure tantalum emerges as a silent hero. Tantalum capacitors, known for their compact size and high capacitance, play a crucial role in powering our everyday devices. From smartphones to medical equipment, elevating our journey to the skies, pure tantalum takes flight in aerospace applications. Its exceptional corrosion resistance and heat tolerance make it an ideal material for components within aircraft engines and structural elements. Venturing into the realm of healthcare, pure tantalum finds itself in life-saving medical devices. From implants to diagnostic tools, its biocompatibility and durability contribute to advancing healthcare innovations. As we conclude our journey, it's evident that pure tantalum is more than a metal. It's a catalyst for progress, powering technologies that shape our present and pave the way for an innovative future. Thank you for exploring the realm of pure tantalum with us. To discover more about this extraordinary metal, visit Stanford Advanced Materials at www.samaterials.com.